welcome back to Blake and Harry. Today we're in the Ute, joined by Harry Peters.
Hello?
Oh god, it's zoomed in. Oh god. So we're going for a little drive.
I'll show you how boggy it is this morning.
Yeah, and it's pretty cold. So
It's pretty boggy as well.
yeah, it's been raining all night and all yesterday. So sit back and enjoy the ride.
So we'll just show you the farm.
And have a little drive. Jesus, it's bumpy.
Yeah, I know.
And it's cold. That makes it worse.
And it's raining.
Yep.
That's not coming.
Oh, crap, it is. Ah, my face is wet.
Don't show the license plates.
No. Trying to wait for the license plates.
So, as you know, this is our farm.
They're
This
probably
will be sold. Well, it is sold.
very shortly. Well, it is sold and they're moving in
We're just showing you the last week's video.
of this beautiful place. Such a shame. But
The whole back of the ute slid.
they're buying a new block, a 100-acre bush block, and also they're buying themselves a block for them to live on, so that they have space for the farm and for us to drive around in and all that.
So,
Oh, it is coming down.
no, that's just little branches.
We need to get some. So today's mission is to get some dry sticks and show you the last look at the property. Which is really sad that we didn't get to do a video before this, but we're getting a better. Oh shit! Kangaroos.
Yeah. What?
Don't need them.
Yeah, so at our new place,
Sorry about the camera. I can't hold it straight. It's hard to hold.
out at our new place, on our bush block, we're going to be doing greenhouses, chickens and beehives.
Yeah.
And at the bush block, we're going to be doing cattle and an orchard.
Yeah. Now, if we do any videos on the beehives, I will not be in them, unfortunately, because I'm actually allergic to bees. So I can't go near bees at all.
Actually, beehive will try it there. It lets you lock them up.
Oh, yep. So we're almost here at the sticks. Get some. Turn that a bit too quick.
Oh, that's what you're like when you drive.
I know.
Everybody got Bugatti.
Hi. That's the mirror. So right now we're in
First.
Now we're in second.
Sure, bumpy.
Is I want
New bush walk, we're going to grade all the tracks.
I want to put the window down, but it's that wet and foggy out there that I just don't want to now. I wanted to so you could get a good angle other than in cab, but who cares? What the hell?
So that takes you up the hill. Too boggy for us today, obviously.
Of course it isn't. Wet as.
I'm going to show you our hole.
we're going to collect some sticks for the fire.
Yep.
Ooh, look at that. And we just got new windscreen wipers, especially for this.
Don't worry about it.
It was a treat. Especially for today, because we were running around shopping yesterday.
We're running around the hotel.
Yeah, because they picked me up, and then we had to do some shopping for stuff, like moving stuff, and we were running around in the rain. It was pouring, so yeah. But we got those 2 videos out to you, but they were inside videos, luckily, and we are working on getting you another video, a gaming video. Ooh, there we go, some rain. Okay, that's the sticks over there, isn't it? No, I don't think it is.
Watch it. Oh, crap. Million times.
Exactly. You've been up here heaps. Okay, it's not too wet now. Ah, smell. See, look at that bulb. Yep.
So we'll do a second part. So this is the first part, and we might stop the video here, and then we'll show you the second part later.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all in the next part. Bye for now.